Hi, grade. Hi, my pupils. I'm Miss Iman Sayed from Learn Teacher Iman channel. Today, I will resume the rest of the basic course that I started in the two videos for primary and preparatory stages. But before I will go to our lesson today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel. This is my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our lesson today. Today, I will start the second part in our basic course, which is tenses. The first tense here is that I would like to revise you present continuous tense. I think we took this tense during the term, and this tense is in the most of grades. Take it. Grade 3 and grade 2, grade 4, 5 all took this tense. It's not strange for us to know it. Let's go to know more about this tense. Present continuous tense. What is the present continuous tense? It's the tense that expressing the action happened at the time of speaking. At what? At the time of speaking. Okay. Here we have the pronouns that takes am, pronouns takes is, pronouns takes are. Let's go to know more about this. Here we have I takes am plus verb adding ing to the verb. He, she, it, is plus verb adding for the verb ing. We, you, they, are plus verb plus ing. Okay, I will give you an example for every one of these pronouns. Here is we say I'm playing. Here is I'm written like this. You can say I am playing or say I'm playing. This called abbreviation. Called what? Called abbreviation. He is eating or she's eating. We are walking. They are singing. You are drinking. It's jumping. Here we say he isn't. When we make a negative form, this is the negative form. Say he isn't, and this is called abbreviation. We can say I'm not or is not, but here in English we use the abbreviation of not like this. We use we write it like this. He isn't sleeping. And this is important for what? For punctuation. Okay, when we make a punctuation, if isn't without the comma here, you can know that we must have a comma because it's the abbreviation as we know. Okay, here we have I'm not watching am is are. Here is have am is are and adding not if we do the negative form. I would like to answer this exercise with you, and I would like to share me for answering this exercise. Okay, I answer 5 of them, and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself as a homework. After finish the video, I will leave the link of the booklet below the video to download it and answer by yourself. Here we say I am is are sleeping. What is the suitable answer for this? As we know that I takes what? I takes aim. Here we have they takes what, as we know in during the tense we takes are, so it will be they are eating. She space here. We can say am wrong. We can say are wrong. If someone saying Miss Iman what can I say? I can say for you. You don't take English at all in all age. Okay, you don't know English at all. Okay, if we say she is wrong. If we say she are is wrong. So the suitable answer of she, it will be what? The verb that suitable for this subject, it will be for this subject, it will be what? For or this pronoun, it will be is. So she is reading. He is what? He is walking. Here is the verb, and this is the verb to be, and the verb adding ing to the verb. I'm drinking. You are clever pupils. Here is abbreviation. We say here it what it is or am or are. It is. So this is the abbreviation of is. Here we are. Here is the abbreviation of are. I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. I answer some of them, and I hope to answer and send it to me after you answering to correct it for you. Okay, let's go to another one here. Here we have a matching. I don't want to make matching by lines. I would like to say number one here, like one here, is by number C. So he writes like this. Okay, don't make lines. It's not correct way to do this question. So it will be with am reading. We space we are drinking. So it will be number B. He is sleeping. So I say number A, he is sleeping. Here we can say if we told me he is sleeping or he is eating is correct. If we say she's sleeping or she is eating is correct. So both those this sentence and this sentence is suitable for he or she. Both are correct. Okay. Because he or she takes is, and I don't have a picture to say that eating or sleeping. So I can take he with is sleeping. We say we can say he is sleeping, or can he is eating. It's correct. Both are correct. Or can say she is sleeping or she is eating. Both are correct. Okay. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. So now I think we know the present continuous tense is not difficult to know. Okay. Let's go to the kind of yes no question related to this tense. Here we have is, are, was, where, does, do, did, can, will. This called scissors, as we know in during the lessons on classroom. We say your teacher say to us, we make a scissor. If we say it's a banana, so here we make a question like this: is it a banana? So this is a question. Or is she a nurse? So we can say yes, it is. Yes, she is. Or can say like this: are they eggs? Yes, they are. Or does she like? As we know with you before, that does is replaced what? Replaced s. If we put does and s, it will be what? It will be zero, as we know during the term. Okay, as we know during the term. Don't put s when we have does, because does replace the s. Okay, so I omit s and put does instead of s. Okay, it will be yes, he does. Okay, let's continue the rest of the exercise. Here we have, you can do the abbreviation like this. Say no, it's not. You can say you can written like this or can written like this. No, he isn't. Okay. Let's continue the rest of the lesson. Here we have you. Here we have when we ask about with you, I use I. When we ask are you, it will be I am. This or those, it will be they. That or this or that, it will be the it. Okay. When you say what is this, I say it is, or can say this is. Both are correct. It will be here. Let's go to another item. Are you a boy? Are you a boy? So I ask you, is he a boy or a girl? So the answer is the replying. It will be yes, I am, or no, I'm not. Okay. If I'm a girl, I say no, I'm not. Or if I'm a boy, I say yes, I am. Are these apples? No, they aren't. It can't apples. It would be what? It can be oranges. It can be bananas. It can be any fruits, or can't not not fruits. It can vegetables, like you can say it's cucumbers, or you can say it's cucumbers, or eggplant, or anything. Okay, so it's not an apple. This is not an apple. So are these apples? No, they aren't. Like this. Is that a bus? So as we know that, and when as we know, last video about demonstrative pronouns that and this, I think we took it last video. You can return to the video and revise what I told during this video. That when we mentioned by that, pointed to something is far to me, and those is the plural of something also far from me, like this. You say yes it is, or no they are, or you say it. So the answer, it will be yes it is, or yes they are. Okay, I will answer this question with you, and I will leave the rest to do it by myself. So here we have, yes, here we have, is it a banana? I can say here, yes. I can say here, yes, it is. It will be, yes, it is. It will be yes. Yes, it is. You can say yes, it is, or no, it isn't. Okay. If it's not a banana, you can say yes, it is. Is he a baker? I say no, he isn't. You can say he, no, he isn't. For example, you can say no, he isn't. I would like to answer like this one to see you when we use yes or when we use no. Okay. Here we have, is this a bag? You can say yes, yes it is. You can say yes it is. I can say yes it is. To be yes it is. Or no it isn't. Or no. You can say no it isn't. No it isn't. Here we can say, do you like the cake? Yes, I do. I can say, yes, I do. Yes, I do. It will be, yes, I do. Or no, I don't. Or can say, no, I don't. Or if the answer is no, it will be, no, I don't. Okay? No, I don't. No. I will continue the rest of the lesson. Now, I think now we know when we use yes, when we use no. It's not, I think now it's clear, not difficult to do it. Okay, let's go to another item here in this lesson. Okay, here we talk about what? About the question words or question words. Okay, it will be who and whose. Who, when we ask about what, we use who to ask about what? We ask about subject person. Okay? We ask about subject person. I think we know the question words before. It's not strange for us. There's a subject person. We use who is subject person. Okay. Here is we can say question words or can say keywords question. Both are correct. Okay. Here we ask about who's we ask about what? About a position. Okay. What is the meaning of position? Some of you don't know position. Something is belongs to me. Okay. Something is belongs to me. Okay. This is called position. Position or something belongs to me. Here we have who played tennis with you. So here I ask about the person or the subject who played tennis with you. It will be so the answer here it will be what the answer? It will be Ahmed played with me. So here the subject pronoun here it will be Ahmed. Okay, let's go to another one. Here we have whose bag is this? Whose bag is it? I think when someone lost the book in our classroom, we say whose book is this? I think this sentence is, I think we learned it many times. We listened many times when someone lost the book on our classroom. We say whose book is this? Whose pencil is this? I think so. Yeah, I think so. Whose bag is it? It's my bag. Here we have where. Where to ask about what? Where to ask about place. We use where to ask about place. Okay? Like what? Like this. Where did you go yesterday? I went to the park. Someone saying to the park. Someone other state to the zoo. Other saying we go to for example Cairo Tower. For example Cairo Tower. Cairo Tower. For example. Okay. Cairo Tower. Others saying go to Alexandria, for example. So here we ask about what? Where to ask about what? About the place here. Okay. Let's continue the rest of this lesson. I will give you, and the next class I will make a practice on. Okay. Here we have when to ask about what? When to ask about time. To ask about what? To ask about time. Okay, like this. When did you go to the club? I went to the club last week. So here is the time. This is the time. So when to ask about time here. Okay, let's continue the rest of the exercise. Sorry, the rest of the unit. What to ask about what? About something. To ask about something. Okay, to To ask about something. What to ask about something. When we say what is this, I say, when we say, we can use it with the person, or what's your name? My name is Ahmed. Or can say, what is this? It's a boy, it's a bag, it's a table, it's a pencil, and so on. Okay. When we say it like this, okay, what is this? I can say, what is this? We can say, what is this? So the answer, it will be, this is a book, this is a bag, this is a pencil, and so on. Okay. You can say it's a book. You can say it's a book. You can say it's a book. It's a book, or it's a pencil. You can say it's book. It's a book, or it's a pencil, or it's table, and so on. The book, or it's a table, and so on. Let's go to another one. Which here to ask about what? About choice. To ask about what? About choice. Okay. To ask about choice. Here we have, which do you prefer, reading or writing? Someone saying, I prefer writing. Some others saying, I prefer reading. Okay. So here, which to ask about choice. Let's go to another keyword question to continue the rest of this lesson. Why to ask about what? Why to ask about reason? Okay, to ask about reason. So the answer of why, because why is what the answer of why? It will be because, like this. Why didn't you go to the party? Because I was ill, or because I was outside the city, and on anything. Okay, so here I talk about what? About the reason. Why to ask about the reason? Why didn't you go to the party? And say, because I'm ill, because I was ill, or my father was ill, and so on. Okay. Let's go to another item here. It will be how. How to ask about what? About state. Ask how here to ask about what? About state. Okay. Ask about state. Like this. How are you? And when you say, when someone saying, how are you? I'm fine, or fine. Both are correct. How are you? I'm fine, or say fine. How do you go to school? By bus. So here I ask about the way that I go to school. Okay, the way that I go to school. Okay. Today I explained the present continuous tense. Next class I will explain the present simple. I hope to benefit from this video. Thanks a lot. Until you meet again. Goodbye.